Hi, Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a project share that I done with Mrs. Gigi on Scrap It Thursday with friends over on my channel on March 3rd. And we play a prompt game. Usually we do 2 rounds if we don't have anything planned. We do 1 or 2 rounds of the prompt game and we go off air. Okay. This one, I think we only played 1 round. So we used yarn or fiber, washi tape or something, staple something, a sequin or glitter, felt or mesh, heart or keys, tags or wild card, and rainbow or moon. And this day we only played 1 round because when we play 2, I usually write on the back of the card. Okay, and this is mine. And if you, all the prompts from every game will be on my community tab and in the comment section. So if you would like to uh, do this, the link to my group, the link to Mrs. Gigi's group, if you'd like to join, will be down below. And you can show us what you make. We'd love to see what you make with the prompts. You don't have to do them in this order. You can do them whichever way you want. So with that being said, I will say this. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, be positive, stay safe, and most of all, be kind. And with that being said, if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I do premieres, or when I upload new content. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.